how to fix this error on Valorant easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first all you need to do, just click here, open Windows Security, and after that click Virus and Threat Protection, go to Manage Settings, scroll down, go to Exclusions, and now add an exclusion file, and here scroll down until you find Valorant and click Open. If you can't find it, just right click here on Valorant, go to Open File Location, and here click Riot Games, and as you see here you will find your Riot Games, your Valorant folder, here's it. Just click on it and then click live and you will find it. Wait, like that. I have it here, Riot Games, and here's it, Valorant live, and then shooter game, binaries, Win64, and here we'll find it. As you see, here's it. Here's it, Riot Games, Valorant live, shooter game, binaries, Win64, and scroll down until you find this one and click add, open, and after that just right click on Valorant and click run as an administrator, and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.